Hey, it's Alex from She Snowboards, and here are my 7 snowboarding on ice quick tips. My first tip is to sharpen your edges. You can DIY with a kit just like this one, or you can get to your local shop to edge your board. Having sharp edges will help your board slice through the hardpack and icy snow easier, giving you more grip on the snow to make those turns. Snowboarding with your bindings a click looser than you normally ride can help chill your turns so that you can dull down the forces that translate quite quickly from your boots down to your board if you have them any tighter. Your edge angle needs to be constantly changing to adapt to the icy conditions. Depending on your riding style, you may need to crank up the edge angle to gain grip on the ice surface, or you can bring your edge angle back down to the snow. High edge angle and ice is difficult to master, so aim for an intermediate, chilled Slav turn. Keeping your weight evenly distributed on both feet distributes the pressure across your snowboard, helping it stay underneath you while you're riding. Practicing side slipping in a straight line without any direction change can help you make aware of your weight is distributed on your snowboard. Snowboarding on ice requires your body to be relaxed and on top of your snowboard to maintain the most stability. Think about pulling your toes up towards your bent knees on your heel side, and on your toe side, push your shins into the front of your boots while squeezing your glutes and pushing your hips forward across your board for that extra stability. Side slipping on ice can be a scary thought, especially when all you can hear is that ice grumbling and growling around you. Side slip turns are a great way to maintain control over long icy stretches. Just make sure that you keep your core locked, your wits about you, and don't stay on one edge for too long. Using a combination of all of the previous tips, by monitoring how much edge angle you're giving, keeping your body on top of your snowboard, and an even pressure on both feet will help you maintain a relaxed and neutral posture that's required for snowboarding successfully on ice. Well-trafficked runs will have more snow pushed to the sides than in the middle. Riding the sides is usually much more cruisy. Just make sure to look ahead and keep scanning the terrain to avoid changing edges on that hardpack. This is Alex from She Snowboards. Use these fast tips to change your snowboarding on ice. Make sure that you're following us on Instagram and Facebook, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.